Start by applying foundation all over your face and neck. Then apply a lot of loose powder with a damp sponge onto the areas that tends to crease. And use a brush to feather it all over your face. Moving on to the brows, start by applying dark brown color onto the outer half of your eyebrows. Then use a spoolie brush to soften it. Next, apply the same color with a damp angle brush and retrace your brows. Next, apply foundation or concealer to define your brows. And use your fingers to soften it. Moving on to the eyes, start by applying light caramel color all over the eyes. And also the lower lash line. Next, apply peach color just above your eye socket and connect it to your lower lash line. Then apply silver shimmer color inside your crease and the inner corners of the eyes. Next, apply reddish brown color onto the outer half just above your crease. And connect it to the lower lash line. Then soften the color just above your crease line with a fluffy brush. Next, apply dark brown color onto the outer third of your crease and deepen your eye socket by following your natural eye shape. And use a fluffy brush to soften the harsh lines. Then apply plum pigment onto the inner corners of your eyes and connect it to the inner corners of your lower lash line. Next, tightline your eyes and wing the outer corner of your crease out. And apply dark brown color on top of the liner. Then apply shimmer color onto your brow bone and the inner corners of the eyes. After you curl your lashes, apply mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. Then apply false lashes. Moving on to the face, apply medium brown color down each sides of the bridge of your nose and soften it. Then apply a small amount of bronzer with a kabuki brush onto the side of your face and also the hollows of your cheekbones. Then apply pink blush onto the side of your cheekbones. Next, apply illuminator onto the highest point of your cheeks and nose bridge. Moving on to the lips, line your lips with a nude lip liner. And fill in your lips with a nude liquid lipstick. If you prefer the red lip, just follow the same step with these products. And lastly, just set your makeup with a setting spray. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to watch more of my videos, please click it right here, or I'll post the link in the description box for you guys. Or if you want to follow me on social media, please go right ahead. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!